Do you dream of playing guitar like the legends Jimi Hendrix, Eric Clapton, or Jimmy Page? Are you tired of feeling stuck in your guitar journey and want to take your skills to the next level? Look no further. In this article, we will unveil 5 simple steps that will help you master the techniques and styles of these iconic guitarists. Step 1. Study their influences. Before diving into mastering their techniques, it is crucial to understand who influenced these legendary guitarists. Jimi Hendrix drew inspiration from blues greats such as B.B. King and Muddy Waters. Eric Clapton was heavily influenced by blues legends like Robert Johnson and Buddy Guy. Jimmy Page's style was shaped by rock pioneers like Chuck Berry and Scotty Moore. By studying their influences, you gain insight into their musical roots and can better grasp the context behind their playing styles. It also allows you to explore a wider range of music genres that influenced these legends. Step 2. Master their signature techniques. Each guitarist had unique signature techniques that defined their sound. For instance, Hendrix's innovative use of feedback, wah-wah pedals, and his famous whammy bar tricks set him apart from others. Clapton's mastery of bending notes with precision created soulful melodies, while Page's intricate fingerpicking patterns showcased his technical prowess. To play like them, focus on emulating these specific techniques through dedicated practice sessions. Start slow with exercises designed to build muscle memory for each technique before gradually increasing speed. Step 3. Learn their iconic songs. One cannot truly master the styles of these legends without learning their most iconic songs. Dive deep into their discographies and choose songs that resonate with you personally. Whether it's Purple Haze by Hendrix, Layla by Clapton, or Stairway to Heaven by Page, these songs embody the essence of their playing styles. Break down each song into sections and practice them meticulously. Pay attention to the nuances in their playing, the bends, slides, and vibrato that give their music its unique flavor. By learning their songs note for note, you will gain invaluable insights into their approach to composition and improvisation. Step 4. Develop your own style. While it is essential to learn from the legends, it is equally important to develop your own style as a guitarist. Experiment with different techniques and incorporate elements from various genres into your playing. This fusion of influences will help you carve out a unique sound that sets you apart from mere imitators. Remember that even Hendrix, Clapton, and Page started as students themselves before evolving into groundbreaking guitarists. Embrace your individuality and let it shine through in your playing. Step 5. Seek inspiration beyond guitar. To truly master the styles of these legends, broaden your musical horizons beyond just guitar-centric influences. Listen to other instrumentalists like saxophonist John Coltrane or pianist Keith Jarrett for inspiration on phrasing and improvisation techniques. Explore different genres such as jazz or classical music for fresh ideas that can be translated onto the guitar. By seeking inspiration outside traditional guitar circles, you open yourself up to new possibilities and approaches that can elevate your playing to new heights. In conclusion, mastering the styles of Jimi Hendrix, Eric Clapton, and Jimmy Page requires dedication, practice, and an understanding of their musical roots and signature techniques. By studying their influences, mastering specific techniques, learning iconic songs, developing your own style, and seeking inspiration beyond guitar, you will embark on a journey towards becoming a true master of the instrument. Remember, these steps are not a shortcut but a roadmap to guide you along your guitar journey. So grab your guitar, immerse yourself in the music of these legends, and let their spirit fuel your own musical evolution.